I have the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 and I'll be showing you how to charge this fitness band from Samsung. Now, inside the box of your Galaxy Fit 3, you get a cable, and this is the cable. Now the cable is Type-C on one side, and then you have these magnetic connectors on the other side. Okay, so you're gonna plug in the Type-C side to a power source. Now this could be a charging brick, which will then plug into the wall, a charging brick like this one. It could be a power bank with a Type-C outlet. It could be a laptop, maybe your MacBook or any other kind of laptop that has a Type-C port. Just plug it to any power source. And then the other end, you want it to go to the bottom of the Galaxy Fit 3. You should see these two connectors here. These ones should align with the connectors on the charger. Okay, so all you have to do is align. Now if you feel it like it's going to one side, it means you have to go the other way. Okay, so you have to align it like this, and it's going to align itself with the magnets. Okay, and it's very sturdy. Of course, you can pull it out at any time, but then once you align it, it's going to just stick there and align itself. Now when it's charging, you'll know it's charging because first of all, there's going to be this little lightning icon here. You can see it, this one right here. Just try and move this one, that tells you that it's charging. So that's basically how to charge your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.